Welcome back to HARBRO Freight, quality videos, lowest prices, and today we have another deal. Well, this is going to be the weekend deal starting tomorrow. It's going to go on the 6th, the 7th, and the 8th. Going in line with this storage days deal, which is still going on, which I recommend. I'll watch my video. Unless you want to get one of the big carts, get one of the tech service carts. They're smaller, easy to wheel around. But anyways, our deal for the weekend, drum roll, not the greatest, but it is something. Here, we have it. And if you find this helpful, please consider liking and subscribing and turning on the notification bell. Free gift with any purchase. We have a free gift with any purchase. Let's read the fine print and then we'll go through each tool, see their value. Up to a $3.29 value is what it's saying. So I guess max price these are is $3.30. But you get to choose one of the following three. The 4-inch magnetic parts holder. Now that one, even though it's not a huge value, that I want to say makes this free gift completely worth it. Completely worth it. Match this free gift, and I'll also link it in the description with one of the new Dollar Day deals that I just went over yesterday. There's a few really good Dollar Day deals. It's the 4-inch magnetic parts holder. Magnetic parts holders are super clutch. If you don't have one, might as well pick one up for free, especially if you're already planning on going in. So either that or the ultra bright LED work light, which okay, and then a 6-in-1 screwdriver, nut driver. This is the kind you just keep maybe upstairs in your bedroom, your master bedroom, one in your car, just to have a screwdriver handy for whenever you need one. But let's read the fine print. Receive a free gift, one of those 3 items with coupon code 669-74160, valid from Friday, June 6th through Sunday, June 8th with any purchase. Valid in-store only. Limit 1 coupon per customer per day, although I don't think they're going to make you honor it if you get all 3. So it's not crazy. I can't imagine them being too sticklerish with these. Coupon cannot be used with any of the following ITC memberships. Extended service plans, gift cards, or prior purchases void if copied, sold, purchased, transferred, or where prohibited. Valid 6th through the 8th. And that is the weekend deal. And I'm probably gonna go get these $5 US General magnetic hooks. Probably get a couple for $5. They hold 25 pounds, which is the crazy thing. That's the thing you're really looking for. And I'll probably pick up, if not the magnetic, maybe I'll pick up all 3. I'm curious to see how well this light works. So the 4-inch magnetic parts holders, $3.29, kind of how they set it. So it is the smaller one, but that's fine. Sometimes the big ones can be a little bit cumbersome. Maybe you need a smaller one to fit properly, not take too much space. But $3.29 value. I'm pretty sure the other ones are all the same. Here we have the 144 lumen portable LED work light flashlight. $1.79. Has a little hook. It has a magnet. It says it runs for 48 hours. Easy on and off switch. 360-degree swivel hook, magnetic base. Works off of 3 AAA batteries for $1.79. I don't think I'd buy this, but maybe I'd get it for free. It's something I'd probably give to the kids. And then we have the Pittsburgh 6-inch screwdriver, nut driver for $2.49. Multi-tool screwdriver, 2 Phillips bits, 2 slotted bits, and 2 nut drivers. Pretty straightforward. Not going to be the best screwdriver, but it is one. If you're going into Harbor Freight this weekend, you just get to choose. So this is what this video is for. Which one are you going to get? Are you going to get the light? Are you going to get the screwdriver? Or are you going to get the magnetic parts holder? I would say if you don't have a parts holder, definitely get that. I might try the light just to give to the kids, but if not, I could use a screwdriver in one of my cars just to have handy. And that is that. Super coupon. Free gift with any purchase. This is for everybody. No ITC specific member deal unless it's just going up late, which sometimes it happens. Sometimes there's a delay between the free gift with any purchase, although it is with any purchase, so I can't imagine what the ITC gift on ITC version would be. So it does appear to be just the free gift. Anyways, storage cell. This one's calling my name right here. 30-inch one drawer service cart, $129, 20% off. You'll get $26, so basically $100 cart, which is crazy. US General for $100. Anyways, parking lot sales coming up next week. Keep that in mind. And I will leave it at that. Happy Harbor Freighting. Happy shopping. Happy Father's Day coming up. Happy deals on deals on deals. For all those of you who have subscribed, I appreciate it. Appreciate all the comments. Let me know what you're going to get. Even though these aren't the best, I'm still excited. I'll go take advantage. So maybe get these $1 picks or these $1 clamps. I digress. Check out these deals. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.